Hi. Hello. Today I was preparing a new recipe which everyone likes and easy to cook. Please watch complete video and comment below what you like to cook. Watch are you need any recipe, cooking method I will try to post it into this channel. Thank you. Maggi noodles with carrots, onions, tomatoes and green chilies. Ingredients: Maggi noodles, water, carrots finely chopped, onion finely chopped, green chilies sliced, tomatoes roughly chopped. Oil. Maggi masala included in the Maggi packet. Cooking method. Boil water in a pan and cook the Maggi noodles according to the instructions on the packet. In a separate pan, heat oil and salt. Finely chopped onions until they turn golden brown. Add finely chopped carrots, sliced green chilies, and roughly chopped tomatoes to the pan. Cook until the vegetables are tender. Once the vegetables are cooked, add the Maggi masala included in the packet. Mix well. Drain the boiled Maggi noodles and add them to the vegetable mixture. Toss everything together until well combined. Cook for an additional couple of minutes, stirring continuously. Your delicious Maggi noodles with carrots, onions, tomatoes, and green chilies are ready to be served. If you like this recipe, please like, share and subscribe to Sharvij channel. Thanks for watching.